Mine's going to be my thermal pin, or.
You know what mine is? On Competition World, it's my phone. It's the watch. You got to have the time. You got to make sure that everything's on time, because in the cooking industry, especially the competition world, everything's on time. It has to be on time. So everything has to be running like on full cylinders. At home, with beer, kicking it back. It's when it's done. When it's done, it's done. But in the competition world, everything needs to be spot on. As every minute passes by, it's like we have our sheets. Okay, what time is it now? What time is it now? And what's the time? I think that's the main word we say when it's go time. It's what's the time. So it's usually, I would say I have to have a good watch. I got to make sure my phone's charged. After that, it's got to be great quality meats. But clock. I think clock.
It's funny. It's clock. And my thermal pin for me is just to poke it, to see the tenderness of it. Right. The chickens, to get the chicken temp. You know, I don't want to be serving any raw meats. But yeah, my thermal pin is my go-to.
Right.